Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today I would like to share with you my Scrapdiva Designs design team unboxing. And I have a couple of them grouped together. I got a little behind on doing this. I've already made a project with one of the dies, so we're going to go ahead and share with you the new dies at Scrapdiva Designs. I'm going to leave links below to all the dies to make it easy for you to shop. Please use Carol 10 at checkout for 10% off your entire order. So we're going to start with these beautiful enamel dots. These are gorgeous. They have glitter in them and they are so pretty. I can't wait to use these. I think these would be good in my back to school projects I'm going to be making. And as far as back to school is concerned, today is the first day here in Georgia of back to school. And my little granddaughter is at kindergarten today. Started school. She's growing up fast. Aren't these beautiful? They're just gorgeous. I'll be sharing my projects with you on these. So pretty. They could be flower centers or little accents on your projects. I love them. Look at all the colors you get. Wow. Beautiful. So that's that. Then we have a t-shirt die, and it comes with the little piece here to decorate your little t-shirt. And then you have a small one, and I have a project in mind for this that is going to be adorable. And next we have the water bottle, and we have a small and a large, and this could be for back to school. So I have two ideas for this project. And you get the little water droplets. These would be so cute with like dripping off the side with some little what do you call it, glossy accents on it. Ideas are flowing. So we'll see what I come up with. And you do get extra piece to decorate your bottle, plus the little droplets. And this is a shaker, by the way. All right. And here we have the backpack. And I need to create this to give to my granddaughter with a little present in it for her starting her school, I think. So we'll see what we come up with that. All right. So cute, right? Fun one. I already created a project with that, and this will probably be my second video that's posted today. This is the cake die, and this was really, really fun to play with. I had lots of ideas for that. Be sure to watch that video. We got the mini flowers, and there are several different shapes in here, and I will be putting this together, playing with this in my craft room. We have a strawberry shaker, and it's got a large and a small strawberry with pieces for decorating. And look at this. It comes with like a little hole in the center of that to make it hang. That's what I'm seeing when I'm looking at it. Isn't that fun? This is going to be a fun project. And we have the apple, an apple shaker, and it has the little worms. I am going to have a lot of fun doing back to school projects with these, I'm telling you. It's an apple shaker. I love the worms. They're so cute. And then we have the pencil topper apple. See, I should have already had this made for my granddaughter going to school. Really cute. Love that. And here is the strawberry mini album. And I have big plans for this. As you can see, I'm already... my printer wasn't printing dark enough, but anyway, I have some strawberry projects in mind, and I just love this. This is a good size. Look at my hand. So this is a very good size. And these are to decorate. This is to make your binding. can't wait to share that with you. And then we have the school bus mini album. How cool is that? Right? You got all these pieces to decorate the mirrors on the bus and the lights and the striping. Very cool. I can't wait to play with this one too. So I'll be having lots of back to school projects for you. And also this is a pencil box or crayon box. It says crayons and it's in the shape of a pencil. Look at how cute that is. I'm going to have adorable back to school projects. I think I may start back to school projects today. Just looking at these makes me think I should do it today. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me in my design team unboxing. And please go visit Erica at scrapdivadesigns.com if you're interested in any of the dies, and use Carol 10 at checkout. I can't wait to share my next projects with you. So until next time, everyone, happy crafting. Bye-bye.